Hey y'all, we are just outside. That's my studio computer room window. This taller plant here is an angel trumpet. I've shown that in bloom. These gorgeous leafy things, they're taller than I am. I'm 6 foot plus. These are a type of ginger. If you look down there, that is their flower. Come over here. It looks like a pine cone, but it is their flower. I don't know if this ginger is edible or not. I don't think so. Yes, I've got a washer and dryer here to go to the trailer, but I gotta get out and trim some of this wildness back. But I love this ginger. And it travels back through here quite a bit. It'll die back, and then there's ferns and whatnot that are down in there. But yeah, just thought I'd show that. I came over here, I had to get the hose, and I saw that gorgeous flower cone, whatever it is. Thought I'd share. So let me know what y'all think. Thumbs down, thumbs up, leave me a comment. Oh, excuse me. Share me around on social network. I think we're going to add, I saw a little hawk earlier on one of my rides. I got a really short little video of it, so I think I might add that to the end of this, so hang around for that. Give your loved ones a kiss. We're not promised tomorrow. Call them if they're not nearby. Hope you all have a great day. Until I see y'all again. Sláinte, y'all. Bye bye.